Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. Subscribe to begin your daily yoga practice today. This will be a short flow for beginners. All levels are welcome. Let's begin. On the mat. No props are needed. Let's start in a child's pose. Big toes together, the knees are apart. Walk your hands forward and away from you. On an exhale, bring your forehead down to the mat. Observe the quality of your breath. Bring your awareness to the present moment. Arrive. Relax your elbows down to the mat and bring one hand to each shoulder. Right hand to right shoulder, left to left. And feel the triceps opening. Feel the pressure of your forehead on the mat. Release your hands back in front of you and press up to a tabletop position. Hands are shoulder width, knees hip width. 3 rounds of cat-cow. Inhale, arch the back, look straight ahead. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale, open up, let these build, breathe in. Long exhale, round. Press the tops of the feet down. Once more, inhale. Long exhale. Neutral spine. Puppy pose. Walk your hands to the top of the mat. Leave your hips over the knees. You're not bringing them with you. Bring your forehead down to a prop or the mat. The hands are flat. The weight is evenly distributed between the hands and within each hand. Breathe. Sphinx. Shift your weight forward and down. Prop up onto your forearms, and for measurement, just touch opposite elbows. And that's your distance. Press underneath the wrists, the hands, shoulders away from the ears. Pull your chest through. Release. Press up to a tabletop. And sit back. Bring your feet around to the front of you and extend your right leg out. Bend the left knee and place the sole of the foot on the inside of the right thigh. The right leg is straight, but it doesn't have to be. Reach up with both hands and fold over the right leg. So if your hamstrings are tight, you can keep this front leg soft and you will still feel something. Walk your hands in, sit up, and extend your left leg out in front of you. Hands by your sides, just sit up tall for a moment. You might have blocks underneath your hands as well. And we'll switch sides. Bend the right knee, sole of the right foot is on the inside of the left thigh. Reach up, sit up, and fold over your left leg. And sit up. Reverse tabletop. Place your feet on the mat about hip width distance. Hands are behind you. Fingertips pointing toward the heels, press down and open up the front of your body. Weight is in the front parts of your hands. Lift a little higher. If it's okay with your neck, the head can go back. Sit down. Extend your legs out in front of you. Again, the knees can be soft. Reach up and fold forward over your legs. I'm going to interlace my arms underneath the knees, keeping them soft. I like this because I feel it more in my back. And my hamstrings feel a little bit tight right now, and this is going to be a gentler way to work into them. Release. Bring the soles of your feet together. Butterfly legs. Sit up tall. Hold the outsides of your feet. And forward, fold over your legs. Sit up. Reverse tabletop. Set up your feet, your hands, and open up the front of your body. And sit down. Extend your left leg out in front of you. Cross the right foot over the left leg. Sit up tall. Hook the left elbow around the right knee. And right hand is a kickstand behind you. Let's twist. Sit up tall. Flex your left foot. Release. Bend the left knee, place the foot flat on the mat. You've just opened up the right leg into a seated pigeon. Some people call this figure 4. Press your chest toward the right calf. Extend your left leg out in front of you. Continue to cross the right leg over the left so the knees are stacked. Sit up tall, and we're going to round the spine, flex your left foot, and try to bring your forehead to the knee. Pull in the stomach like cat back. Ooh, there it is. Sit up. Extend the right leg out. Let's switch sides. Step or cross the left foot over the right knee. Sit up tall and then hook your right elbow around the left knee. Left hand is behind you, helping to help yourself sit straight up. Look over the left shoulder. Unravel. Bend the right leg. Foot is flat. Press into your hands to bring the chest closer to the left calf. Extend your right leg out. Continue to cross the left leg over the right leg so that the knees stack. Sit up tall and round the spine. Flex the right foot. Bring the forehead to the left knee. Sit up. Extend your left leg out in front of you. Reach up with both hands and forward fold over your legs. Finding a little more space this time. Sit up and lie all the way back on your back. Hey, Caesar. Extend your arms overhead, full body stretch. Reach, flex the toes, the feet, arms overhead. What up, dude? Hug your knees into the chest and rock up to a seated position. Any way that is conducive to sitting up nice and tall. Isn't Caesar perfect? All right. Hands by your sides or on your knees. Let's roll the head and the neck around a little bit. Shoulders back and down. Gratitude for the present moment. Gratitude for your practice. I am so lucky to have your presence. Let's close with a breath. Inhale, arms reach wide and overhead. Lift up, reach up at the top. Long exhale, lower your hands down. Thank you. If you enjoyed this, please let me know with a comment, a like, a subscribe. Comment below if you did subscribe with the word subscribe. And until next time, namaste. 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 It's Christmas time at the beach. Caesar meow. Me the best. Oh, I startled him. Oh. If you're still here, don't forget to comment. If you're still watching, say Caesar in the comments, okay?